Welcome back to video number 2 on how to create an infographic in Piktochart. You should have already created your username and your password, and so now it's just a matter of starting up your new infographic. You'll notice that in this screen it'll give you different formats, and for our purposes we're going to just stick with the infographic format. And you're going to click on the blank template and you're going to click create. And basically with this screencast, I'm going to give you just an overview of some of the buttons and some of the features of your layout. The first thing I want you to notice is that you can give your infographic a title. And I would actually just do your first initial, last initial, your teacher's name, and just kind of like a one-worded description of what your infographic is about. Over here, you'll notice that there's your saved button, and it does automatically save every few minutes, but I would actually click save every couple minutes just to make sure that you have your hard work already there and saved just in case your computer crashes. Hopefully it won't happen, but you never know. Right here, the preview button will show you what your infographic will look like on the web, so you don't have to see all these other little things on the side. This is what it will actually look like. The other button that you're going to use once you're done is the publish button, and the publish button will give you a link that you can give to others so that they can see what your infographic looks like. On the left hand side here is your content area buttons. Each button will have specific features that go along with it. I won't go into the content area buttons yet, but I will in other screencasts here. A couple other things before you start is if you notice, if you put your cursor over a box, it'll darken, which means if you click on it, that's the box that you're working in. You'll notice kind of like this blue outline kind of around the box. So that means that that's the box you're going to be putting content in. One thing I want you to notice too is that there on the bottom you'll see these two little white lines. If you click, hold, and you can drag, you can change the size of your box. And one more thing, Piktochart always gives you a default, some default things to work with. If you don't like the default things that Piktochart gives you, you can just simply click on them, get that box around it, and then just click your delete button. So that is just your basic overview of the layout of Piktochart. In the next screencast, I'm going to show you how to change your background.